This video is brought to you by FlowSend, the Flow mail app. Send branded emails from Shopify Flow with your own SMTP, liquid templates, and delivery logs. Link in the description. Want a multi-step post-purchase sequence? Ask Sidekick to build it with Wait and FlowSend. Sidekick wires order fulfilled 3 FlowSend emails and 2 7-day waits. Draft ready. Delivery confirmation now, a check-in on day 7, and a review request on day 14. Open the Flow delivery confirmation and follow-up emails and walk the full chain. Order fulfilled starts it. No trigger config needed. Right away, FlowSend sends the delivery confirmation to the customer. Then Wait pauses the flow for 7 days. On day 7, FlowSend sends the check-in. How's everything looking? Another 7-day wait spaces out the next touch. On day 14, FlowSend asks for a review. Tweak the copy if you want, then turn the workflow on. After fulfillment, confirmation on day 0, check-in on day 7, review on day 14. 1 flow, 3 touch points.